In this section, we'll be building a web scraper and scraping data from Angel's website. Naturally, we'll be using a no-code tool to achieve it. That tool being Simple Scraper. For this section, we're going to imagine a fictional scenario where web scraping would be useful. That fictional scenario being if we were putting a report together on investors in the education industry. Of course, we could go through the data on Angel manually, but thanks to scraping, we can collect and analyze this data, saving tons of time for us. Functionality-wise, our scraper will be targeting the classes of name, investment, and followers. This links to our scenario of putting a report together on education investors. If you're unfamiliar with web scraping, let me demystify it a little bit for you. From a high-level understanding, web scraping is extracting data from a website. The scraped data is then converted into a format which is more readable for humans. There are many use cases for web scraping. Some include scraping product data for competitor analysis, scraping financial data for market research, scraping emails from websites for lead generation. In previous times, you had to understand how to write code to web scrape. For example, here's some code written in a programming language to scrape a website. We're going to be able to achieve the same results within a fraction of the time with no code. As we work through building a web scraper in this section, it'll become a lot more clear. By the end of this section, you'll have a good overview of how to scrape websites, holding you in good stead as you begin to build your own web scrapers for your own needs. In the next lecture, I'll show you the resources needed for this project. See you there.